Hey guys, Richard Burgess here from Online.com, and in today's video we're going to be going over 5 different manual search techniques for finding products online. I'm hoping that this is really going to be valuable for you, and it's going to save you a lot of time in terms of figuring out different creative strategies for finding products online that you can actually start to buy and send into Amazon and start to, succeed at the online arbitrage process. And I'm hoping these 5 different search techniques that you can start to use are going to help you a lot moving forward in terms of thinking slightly outside of the box for finding products, and also just helping you to find more products along the way, along your journey of actually doing this online arbitrage strategy as we move closer to Christmas. Okay, so as you can see here, the first search technique is the Google search offer keywords, and there are many different types of keywords that we can put into Google. But if we just start off with 3 for 2, you're going to actually be brought up with every store that has a 3 for 2 offer on. Okay, so what we can then start to do is we can go through these stores and start to go through all of the 3 for 2 offers that are on at these stores. Okay, and that is a very simple strategy there, and you can see that we can start to expand that slightly more, and we can start to do things such as 30% off. Okay, and you can see here, if we go down, we can see all of the different stores that have 30% off on them. Okay, so you can see we can even go into Hot UK Deals, the website, and we can then start to dig a little bit deeper and see if there's any stores on here with 30% off. So they are just some search techniques that we can actually start to do. So if we start with the 3 for 2, you can see that we have quite a lot of different stores to go after now. So if we went into Argos, like every single person does, but just for this example, you can see that they've actually tidied away this 3 for 2 offer for now, but you're going to see that there are different search terms that we can start to pick up. So 2 for £15. So what you can actually do is you can then go back and we can actually type that in. 2 for £15, and we can see who else is offering that kind of offer. You can see BM Stores, Zavvi, Game. We already know Argos are Ocado, New Look, Rydale, Adidas, Go Outdoors. So again, this is just starting to expand that search term, so we can actually start to find more and more products, and we're never sort of stuck for finding products. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll leave a list of different search terms below this video that you can actually start to use that are exactly like this. Okay, so if we go back to 3 for 2, what we can actually do is we can expand slightly, and you can put in toys, 3 for 2 on toys, and if you do that, you can see that then it'll start to show you all of the stores with 3 for 2 on toys. So here you could see Debenhams, Boots, and you will get other search results in this. So like, for example, the Sun Argos 3 for 2 sale is back today. You're going to get results like that. Now, what I actually did is I created a search engine, and just give me one moment to just get that for you. Okay, so here's the search engine that I created, and this is basically specific to all of the online stores that are in the UK. And what I did is I pulled all of the data from FBA Wizard, so all of the stores that FBA Wizard supports, and I actually uploaded them into Google and created my own search engine. Okay, so what this does is we can actually use these search terms here, as you can see below here. I'll leave this list of search terms in the description below for you to actually use. And what we can do is we can type in things like this. Okay, so just copy that, type it in, press enter, and you can see here then it's actually only pulled through stores that are supported by FBA Wizard. So Whereas this one here had the sun and things like that, Facebook. This will only show you online stores, okay? So it sort of filters out all of the junk, so all of the blog posts, all of the newspapers, all of the Facebook things, and it only supports the online stores. So what we can then do is we can actually go through these stores and then start to look through all of these different toys then, okay? So as you can see here, what we would do is we would start to copy and paste the title. So on this website you have to click in to the product, copy the title, paste it into Amazon, and off you go, and start to see if we can get any price differences. So you can see here this product is £10.50 and it is 265 plus water balloons, and you can see here that we have the exact same product by the looks of it, which is pretty lucky. Let's have a look. It's looking like the same product, and you can see that it's dispatched by Amazon. It's selling for $18.95. Okay, so there's a product there that we can get for £10.50 from Debenhams, and it's selling for $18.95. Now this is Amazon's choice. Now I would expect, because it's Amazon's choice, that this is making quite a lot of sales, and we can have a look at the best sellers rank, and you can see that it's 6,000 in toys and games. So if we were going to buy that for £10.50, you would calculate the profit, and you can see that we're going to make a profit of £3.31 on every sale. Now what we can actually also do is we can actually buy this product, and there's potential that we can actually source this via a cashback site, okay? So what we can then do is we can go to topcashback.co.uk, we can type in Debenhams, see if they're on there, and you can see here that we can actually buy this product via Debenhams, via Top Cashback UK, and we can actually get 8% off, okay? So we can actually remove 8% off this price. So for example, let's say that we buy 5 of these. So that is £10.50 times 5. Okay, that's £52.50, and we're going to actually get 8% off that. So £4.20 off that. So you can see £52.50 minus £4.20. We can get 5 of these for £48.30. Okay, so then what we can do is we can divide that by the 5. And that works out at £9.66 each. So we can then put this new price in, so £9.66 each, and you can see then that we would be making £4.15 profit on this, which is an ROI of 42.96%, so nearly 43% ROI. Okay, so there's just one of the strategies that we can actually use to source products online. Okay, and again, that's just one product there that we've found. And you can simply go through all of these products moving forward. There's 148 products that are on this search term that we've just put in. So we put in sale or clearance and toys. And you can see there's 148 products to go through. We've just found one straight away there, £10.50, but we can get it for £9.66 after cashback. And we would be making £4.15 per sale. Okay, so for example, if we were to, let's say, buy 5 of these, then you're looking at just over £20 profit just from this one product. Okay, and how long did that take us? That was not too long. Okay, so like I say, I'll leave these search terms that I have here below this video. You can copy and paste them into Google, and you can move forward from there. So in the next video, we're going to be using something called Price Spy, and I will see you in that next video. See you soon.